Vlogtober video, and today we've got something that we do a lot on this channel, Killstar unbagging. Got two items from Killstar. Let's start with, this one's a little bit more boring. Dead easy, hooded top, black. What size did I get it in? 4XL. Anyway, that's it. Hood. It's oversized, nice and thin. Feels nice. Looks like it's going to be long. You know what? Not much to show on that one really. Let's chuck it on and find out. There you go. It's huge. It comes way long. I can't show you in here because of the camera and that. The sleeves go way down past my elbows. It's like way oversized. This hood is massive. I like it. It's nice and simple. It's probably more of a summer thing or lazing around, but big guys, we tend to run hot, so it's good for someone like me. That. So you can't see any loose threads anywhere for once. For a Killstar top, it's not that bad. £27 I think I paid for it. I'll have a look. On to the next one. Chill out drapey hoodie. I just bought everything as big as it can go because why not? That's it on the front. Down the front, chill out. I came to party. We got a pattern on the sleeves. Having trouble showing you. That's actually supposed to say anything or not. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Some sort of pattern. Has a very similar sort of pattern all the way down it. Doesn't look like there's thumb holes in this one. But yeah, let's smack it on and see what happens. No thumb holes. A little bit disappointing because Killstar usually put thumb holes in everything. Want to add a quick correction. I did find the thumb hole. It has a thumb hole, so that makes it much better. Instantly better when you got thumb holes. Sorry about that. Got this extra neck bit which keep your COVID safe. Or if you want to be a ninja, now ignore the synonyms. But yeah, Killstar have done this bit on a few of their tops, it's alright. Bit annoying. Hood's pretty big because again got big head. Yeah, I think they're both alright, they seem like keepers. It's very long. It's got their what do they call it, hanky hem? I'm not an expert, and that clearly shows. Very long, got a nice hem on it. Overall I like them, you'll see them in the future I'm sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, tune in for tomorrow's Vlogtober video as we continue 31 days or whatever of videos. Try and get as many out to you as I can. I make no promises on whether I'll fail this challenge or not. Anyway, see you later.